Daily English Practice. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Robert.
And I'm Lisa. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, because today's topic is something very important. Motivation. Especially when you feel tired, when you feel like giving up, or when learning English feels too hard.
Exactly. We've all been there, right? Sometimes you open your book or you start a lesson and you just don't have the energy.
Yeah, you think, maybe I'll study tomorrow, and then tomorrow becomes next week.
And suddenly you realize you haven't practiced English for 2 weeks.
That's right. So today we want to talk about how to stay motivated when learning English, even when you feel tired.
And, as always, we'll keep it simple. This episode is for learners at the A1 to A2 level. So don't worry, we'll speak slowly and we'll repeat useful words and phrases.
Perfect. Let's start. Lisa, do you remember a time when you felt tired of learning a language?
Oh yes, absolutely. When I was learning Spanish, I had a moment when I wanted to stop. I was studying every day, but I didn't feel progress.
Yeah, I know that feeling. It's frustrating, isn't it? You study, but it feels like nothing changes.
Exactly. I felt like my brain was full, like it couldn't take any more words.
I think every language learner knows that moment.
But then I realized something important. Progress happens slowly. You can't always see it, but it's there.
That's a great point. Sometimes you need to trust the process.
Yes, even small steps matter. For example, if today you learn just one new phrase and use it, that's progress.
Absolutely. Let's share some simple motivational phrases our listeners can use when they feel tired.
Good idea. Let's do it together.
All right, here's the first one. I can do this. Repeat after us, everyone. I can do this. Very good. Second phrase, it's okay to go slowly. Yes, that's a great one. It's okay to go slowly. Learning is not a race. Exactly. Third phrase, every word I learn makes me better.
Oh, I love that one. Every word I learn makes me better.
And the last phrase for now, don't give up.
Simple but powerful. Don't give up.
Now, let's talk a little about why people give up.
Yes, that's important. Sometimes people give up because they compare themselves to others.
Oh, yes, they see someone speaking English fluently and think, I'll never be like that.
Exactly, but that's not true. Everyone has their own speed.
And their own journey. Some people learn faster, some slower, but that's okay.
I like to say, don't compare, just continue.
Nice. That could be our motto today. Don't compare, just continue.
Yes. Repeat that with us, friends. Don't compare, just continue.
Perfect.
Now, you know, Robert, another reason people stop learning is that they study only with books.
Oh, true. It can get boring if you only read grammar rules.
Exactly. To stay motivated, you need to make English part of your life.
Yes, like watching YouTube videos, listening to music, or even talking to yourself in English.
Yes, I do that all the time. I talk to myself in English when I cook or clean.
That's great practice. You can describe what you're doing, like, I'm cooking dinner, I'm cutting the vegetables.
Exactly. It helps your brain think in English.
Let's give our listeners a mini practice.
Yes. Okay. Repeat after us.
I'm learning English.
I'm getting better every day.
I don't give up.
I enjoy learning.
I'm proud of myself.
Perfect.
You see, even simple positive sentences can give you motivation.
Yes. And when you speak them out loud, you feel stronger.
Exactly. Now, Lisa, let's talk about habits.
Good idea. Habits are powerful.
Right. When you do something small every day, it becomes easy.
Yes. For example, 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
I completely agree. Small steps make big results.
So, what small habits can our listeners try?
Here are a few. Listen to English podcasts every morning. Read one short article or story in English. Learn one new word every day. Repeat a few sentences out loud.
Great tips. And remember, consistency is key.
Yes, even if you feel tired, just do a little bit.
Exactly. When you do something small, you keep the habit alive.
And you'll feel proud that you didn't stop.
Yes, motivation often comes after you start, not before.
That's so true. Sometimes we wait to feel motivated before doing something, but actually, action brings motivation.
Yes, so just start, even 5 minutes.
Perfect. Lisa, do you ever feel tired when learning something new?
Oh, yes, Robert, many times. Sometimes I just feel like my brain says, no more English today.
I think every learner feels that. But you know what? Feeling tired is actually a good sign.
Really? Why do you say that?
Because it means your brain is working hard, learning and growing. When you feel tired, it's not because you're bad at English, it's because you're improving.
That's a nice way to see it. So when we feel tired, it means we're doing something right.
Exactly. Imagine if you went to the gym and didn't feel tired. It means you didn't really work your muscles. The same with English. Your brain is a muscle too.
That's a great example. So maybe next time I feel tired, I'll say to myself, my brain is getting stronger.
Yes, that's the perfect attitude. You can even repeat small motivational phrases to yourself, like, I'm learning, I'm improving, I can do this.
That's simple but powerful. I think it really helps to talk to yourself positively.
Definitely. Many people stop learning because they think they're not good enough. But in reality, they just lose motivation for a moment. It happens to everyone.
I agree. Motivation is like energy. It goes up and down. Sometimes you feel super inspired and sometimes you feel like doing nothing.
Exactly. And when that happens, it's important to have small habits that keep you going, like listening to short English podcasts or watching a simple video, or even reviewing old notes.
I like that idea. You don't always have to do a big lesson. Sometimes just listening or repeating something easy helps to keep the routine.
Yes, and routines are the secret. Learning English is not a one-time project. It's a lifestyle.
That's a nice way to put it. A lifestyle. So it's not just about studying grammar, but living with English every day.
Exactly. You can do it in small ways. For example, when you make coffee in the morning, say to yourself in English, I'm making coffee. Or when you go out, describe what you see.
That's so good. Like, I'm walking to the bus stop. Or, the sky is blue today.
Perfect. Those small moments add up. You're training your brain to think in English without stress.
It also makes learning fun. You don't feel like it's homework, it's part of life.
Yes, and when you do that, you stay motivated because you see progress even in small things.
I think it's also important not to compare yourself to others. Many people see someone speaking fluently and feel bad.
Oh, that's a big one. Comparing yourself is a motivation killer. Everyone has their own journey. The only person you should compare yourself to is your past self.
Right, like today I understand more than I did last month.
Exactly. That's real progress. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It's a long walk, not a race.
So, Robert, what do you do when you feel tired or unmotivated?
Good question. I take a short break, maybe go for a walk or listen to some music. Then I come back and do something small in English. The key is not to stop completely.
That's good advice. Just a small step keeps the energy flowing.
Yes, one small step every day is better than one big step once a month.
I love that. Maybe we can tell our listeners, if you're tired today, just do one small thing. Listen, repeat, or read something simple.
Perfect message. Don't give up. Just do something small and tomorrow, you'll thank yourself.
That's a good reminder. Because consistency is more important than perfection.
Absolutely. Even 5 minutes a day is enough to keep your English alive.
You know, I once read that it takes around 21 days to form a habit. So if you keep doing English for 3 weeks straight, it becomes natural.
Exactly. And once it's a habit, you don't have to force it anymore. You just do it automatically, like brushing your teeth.
True. We don't say, oh, no, I have to brush my teeth again. We just do it.
Yes, that's what we want for English, to make it a normal, easy part of our day.
I think that's the secret to fluency. Small, daily steps and a good mindset.
Exactly. Fluency is not magic. It's the result of many small moments repeated again and again with love and patience.
Beautifully said, Robert.
Thank you, Lisa. And to everyone listening,